attorney, and this begins the Know Your Rights section of the presentation. Earlier this week, I was stuck on an airplane without Wi-Fi, and the only thing I had downloaded on my computer was Project 2025, all 900 pages of it. So I read it, and what struck me in reading it is that Texas is ground zero for the implementation of Project 2025. The attack on women and girls' bodies, the attack on trans people and our trans youth, and the attack on our educational system. And of course, the attack on our immigrant communities. Greg Abbott has deputized DPS to be immigration officers in Texas. And the Texas legislature has passed SB 4 and SB 8 requiring some level of cooperation between law enforcement and immigration. And in Texas, it is insidious, it is invisible, and people from our communities are being taken and disappeared from their families right before our very eyes. I want to tell you about a client of mine, but I will also tell you I have heard hundreds of stories just like his. He's not alone. This is a man who was driving to work in December. He's been here for 20 years. He has 3 U.S. citizen daughters, and he was pulled over for a traffic violation by DPS. We still don't know why. He was denied bond, and we had to take his case into federal court. And 3.5 months and $10,000 later, he was reunited with his family. That was unnecessary, it was racist, it was absurd, and we see what Greg Abbott is doing. Don't open the door unless they have a judicial warrant signed by a judge in your home and also the private area of your business. We are ground zero in Texas, and what we need to know is the new plan is not Minnesota, it's not Chicago, it's not LA. It is this quiet, invisible hunting of our black and brown neighbors by police, by DPS, pulling people over on pretextual traffic stops. And the reality is probably every single one of us has driven by one of these kidnappings without even realizing it. So we have to be aware, we have to protect our neighbors and ourselves, and we have to know our rights. We know that we have a Fifth Amendment right in the Constitution to remain silent. But if they ask us questions, we have to assert that right. You actually have to say, I am choosing to remain silent. We have a Fourth Amendment right against search and seizure, but you have to say, I do not consent to a search. Immigrants, please make a safety plan. Make a safety plan for your children over here under one of these orange tents. My law firm has for free these safety planning packets that have authorizations for children so that people can determine what happens to their kids if they get kidnapped. It is crucial that immigrant parents complete these for their children. And U.S. citizens, our job is this: community, outrage, fighting back, and being excellent witnesses. If you see a law enforcement action, pull out your phone, record the event. We are bringing justice. We are bringing accountability. They want us scared. They want us silent. They want this invisible, but we are not taking it. We will fight back, and we will be in community together. Am I right? All right, here I'm going to translate. And fuck Greg Abbott! I'm not running for office anymore. I can say stuff like that. Mi nombre es Lincoln-Goldfinch. Llevo 20 años como abogada de inmigración en Texas y nunca había visto algo así. Texas está liderando la implementación del proyecto 2025. Abbott ofreció voluntariamente a los agentes del departamento de DPS para hacer cumplir las leyes de inmigración y las leyes SB4 y SB8 obligaron a las fuerzas de los órdenes locales a cooperar. El resultado, miles de personas detenidas bajo pretextos de tráfico, no por seguridad, sino como expediciones de cacería dirigidas contra personas negras y morenas. Esto es racismo, it's racism, y está diseñado para ser invisible. Tuve un cliente, lleva 20 años aquí, 3 hijas ciudadanas sin antecedentes penales, detenido, caminó al trabajo. Le negaron fianza, 3 meses y medio separado de su familia. El tribunal falló a su favor. Aún así, le costó $10,000. No estamos indefensos. Tienes el derecho de la quinta enmienda de guardar silencio. Dilo, estoy ejerciendo mi derecho a guardar silencio. Quiero hablar con un abogado. Tienes el derecho de la cuarta enmienda a negar registros. Sin una orden judicial firmada por un juez, no abras tu puerta. Para los inmigrantes, haz un plan de seguridad para tus hijos, por favor. Sin Fronteras tiene recursos aquí hoy, gratis. Ciudadanos estadounidenses, sean testigos, anoten números de placa, lugares y horas. Ellos quieren que tengamos miedo y que nos quedamos callados. No lo haremos. Vemos esto por lo que es y no nos vamos a ningún lado. Thank you.